In today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact WooCommerce Support so you can get help quickly whenever you run into issues on your store. Start by logging into your WooCommerce.com account. This step is important because support access is tied to your account, and logging in helps the team understand your purchases, extensions and site setup. Once you're logged in, head to the My Account section on the WooCommerce website. Here you'll see a Get Support option. This is your main support hub and the place you'll return to whenever you need assistance. Inside the Get Support area, WooCommerce gives you two ways to reach their team. The first is live chat. This is available around the clock and is the fastest way to talk to a happiness engineer. Live chat is perfect for urgent issues because you get real-time responses and quick troubleshooting. The second option is submitting a support ticket. This works best if your issue needs a detailed explanation or if you want to attach screenshots, error messages, or step-by-step descriptions. Tickets allow the support team to review everything carefully and reply with a complete solution. That's it. Whether you choose live chat for instant help or a support ticket for more detailed assistance, WooCommerce makes it easy to reach their team whenever you need guidance.